6 harsh truths you should accept. Number 1. Your past shouldn't control your future.
You might have seen talking AI videos like this. In fact, people are using this medium to generate and gain thousands of followers online. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 websites you can generate realistic AI, talking AI pictures like this online, of which you can use for your next project. These are what people are charging you money to give anyways. So in return, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification, because I'm going to be dropping more videos and more updates on how you can create hyper realistic AI videos like the one you are seeing right now, even the one of yourself. And also do it to smash that like button. So with that said, let's go to my screen right now as I show you the 3 websites you can generate these hyper realistic AI pictures from. So let's go. So guys, the first platform is Playground. Okay, by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can access all these websites from this video, so make sure you stick around and you don't miss any part in this video. So the first platform is called Playground. Okay, Playground AI. So this platform gives you realistic AI images for free, and you can also create any kind of realistic AI you want to create. All right, so to do that, very simple. The first thing to do is to sign up an account with them. It's free of charge. So once you come, you are going to be seeing a sign up logo around this area. So once you sign up an account, it's going to change to create. As you can see down there, create. All right, create. So what you are doing is very simple. Just click on create and you are going to create your first AI image just like that. Okay, as you can see, you can import canvas or you can import image you want to use. You can import it down here and you can have your realistic AI of any of your clients or any project you want to do. All right, if you don't want to do that, you can just go ahead and click on new canvas file, and then it's going to bring you to this page. You go to board. All right, so once you go to board, you are going to come to their prompt. All right, then you can just go ahead and ask whatever you want to create. It's very simple, it's very simple. As you can see right here, it said, what do you want to see? You can use a single word or a full sentence. Now you can just go ahead and type in whatever you want to see. Let's say I want a young Indian woman. All right, you can just describe whatever you want to use. Okay, you can describe it in any way or anything you want to use it to. You can say a young Indian woman carrying a basket or driving a car. Whatever your description is going to generate for you. So once you have typed that, you are going to click on generate, and it's going to generate it for us, just as simple as that. All right, as you can see, it's loading up. Alright guys, now this is what we just generated right now. So you can see this is a young Indian woman right now, and is a realistic AI pictures. Now you can come here, you can import an image you want to use. As you can see right here, you can just go ahead and import an image you want to use. Okay, say image to image, upload or draw an image to use as inspiration, and you can also edit image in this very platform. So this is the first platform you can generate free AI image for. So you don't have to use Midjourney or pay for their plan or pay for their monthly plan to generate AI. Now the last platform is going to blow your mind. So we are going to be moving into the second platform right now. Now before we move into the second platform right now, if you find any value from this video, do well to smash that like button as a way of encouraging me. Thanks in advance. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and turn on post notification, because I'm going to be dropping more amazing content and more premium content around this very topic. You don't want to miss out on how you can make money from this very opportunity right now. I'm going to be dropping more videos and ways on how you can make money from this very AI opportunity. Subscription is free, you are not paying any dime for it. So smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's move over to the next platform. So the next platform we have here is called Nightcalf. All right, Nightcalf is an amazing platform you can generate AI from. As you can see, create stunning AI art, create amazing artwork in seconds using the power of artificial intelligence, participate in art challenge, chat with our AI art enthusiasts, and more. Okay, to generate AI is very simple from here. You can join their newbie hangout, their daily challenge chat, so that you can earn some coins you can use to generate AI. All right, these are AIs from this very platform. Okay, these are daily winners and all of that. So I have over 5 credits I can use. To create an AI is very simple. Just click on start creating, but first you must have an account with them. Just go ahead and create an account. It's very simple. Just create an account with Google. It's going to show you to create with Google or Facebook. Click on Google, click on your Gmail address, and your account is created. Simple as that. To create AI is very simple. Just go ahead and type in the temp prompt, just like the first one I described for you. All right, you can just go ahead and type in an Indian. You can just go ahead and type in a young an American soldier. Okay, click on create, and it's going to generate for us right now. All right, so if you come down, you can see right now, this is an American soldier. As you saw right now, that was an American soldier. And the first art I generated, that was an African woman. That was the first AI I generated before making this video. That was an African woman I used for one of my projects. So the next person you are seeing that there is an American soldier, though is an old uniform soldier. So this is the second free platform you can generate AI from. So the third platform is Lexica. As you can see right now, Lexica. All right, I'm going to be dropping all the links to this website in the description below. So once you go to the description, you're going to be having access to all the links and the resources you can access this website from. So as you can see, these are AIs from this platform. You can generate as many free AI from this very platform, as many. These are amazing places you can generate AI from, as you can see right now. So just come here. And the first thing first is to sign up an account. It's very important. You click on this very place and sign up an account with them. So once you come here, you just go ahead and search any AI you want. The same thing apply here. All right, any AI you want. Okay, any AI you want. Okay, I will just go ahead and search in anything, guys, anything. Click on generate, and it's going to generate an AI for you. As you can see, this is what we search for right now, and it has generated it for us. So these are the three platforms, the free three platforms you can use instead of Midjourney to generate AI for yourself. So you don't need to go to Midjourney to start spending money to generate AI. So with these three platforms, you can generate AIs for your next project, for your next client, and wherever you want to use it for. So I believe this video was valuable to you. If it was valuable to you, leave a like in this video. Just leave a like right now. I will wait for you to do that. Thank you very much, and join the community by subscribing if you have not done that, and turn on bell notification, because I'm going to be dropping more amazing content in this very channel and you don't want to miss out. So subscribe right now. It's free of charge. You are not paying anything. All right, with that said, I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now. So lest I forget, you can download the Lexica Arts app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. So if you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, you can download it on your App Store or your Play Store, and you can access the rest two apps, which is Nightcalf and Playground AI, from your Chrome browser. So I will leave a link to all these platforms in the description of this video below, so do where to access them from the description. All right, so there you have it, guys. So there are more platforms to this. I'm going to be dropping more videos and more updates in the coming weeks, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn up post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop that video. You need to see this playlist right now showing on your screen to access videos on how you can create hyper realistic AI pictures and many other stuff you can do with this AI opportunity. Click here right now to access these videos.